Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on business insurance with Progressive, full guide step by step clearly. To save on business insurance with Progressive, start by assessing your current insurance needs. Identify the specific coverage types your business requires, such as general liability, property insurance, or workers' compensation. Understand your business's unique risks to choose the most relevant coverage options. Visit the Progressive website to explore their business insurance offerings. Utilize their online tools to get an instant quote tailored to your business. Gather information about your business, including its size, location, and the number of employees. Provide accurate details about your business operations to ensure an accurate premium estimate. Compare quotes from Progressive with those of other insurance providers for a comprehensive view. Look for discounts that Progressive may offer, such as bundling multiple policies or having a claim. Consider adjusting your coverage limits or deductibles to find a balance between adequate protection and affordability. Review your business operations regularly, as changes can impact your insurance needs. Reach out to a Progressive agent to discuss any specific questions or additional discounts you might qualify for. Consider enrolling in risk management programs that Progressive may provide to strengthen your loss prevention measures. Review your policy annually to ensure you are still getting the best value for your coverage. Keep an organized file of all your insurance documents for easy reference and future evaluation. By following these steps, you can effectively save on business insurance with Progressive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.